We just missed the boat. So we gotta wait like what, 10 minutes for the next one? We're officially at EPCOT for the Flower and Garden Festival, and we can get our magnets finally. First time ever at the festival. Let's get through security and we'll show you around.
One of these days I'm gonna get this one.
How much is it?
$19.99.
Hey. Good. How about yourself? Very good, thank you. Good.
So
Cute. We got into EPCOT to get the Flower and Garden Passport, or the Flassport. We have to go to which stores?
Port of entry or mouse secure.
So we're headed from the back entrance of EPCOT to the front entrance to get
The Flashport.
the Flassport. And I think before we get there, we might stop and try to get an orange bird, because those are right there. So we're in line for the orange bird, and there's no line. We have our orange birds.
They're so cute!
They're absolutely adorable. What was the deal with the orange, with the slushy inside?
You can get the bird by itself without the slushy in it, but you're still paying the full price.
You ready to taste? Tastes like a melted creamsicle.
Yeah, it's alright.
I wouldn't call it a slushy. It's almost like a milkshake.
Yeah, it's actually kind of thick.
I like it. I couldn't drink a whole lot of it. What do you think?
It's alright.
I wouldn't go out of...
because it's in this.
This is just absolutely adorable. And she's got her magnet.
Hey! First pass holder magnet! Stay there, little orange bird. We just got our pass holder magnet for Flower and Garden. And we picked up the festival passport. It has stickers in it, and it has all of the outdoor kitchens, merchandise, scavenger hunt, shows you all the topiaries.
Taking the classic shot.
Left to right, go ahead and scan. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect, happy birthday.
Thank you. We're in line for the, can you guess? Can you guess what we're in line for?
The spaceship bird.
Finally, because last time we were here, as you recall, this was closed every single day we were here. This Fast Pass line looks very, very, very long though. This ball ride has that smell.
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically.
Turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East.
That's too funny. There's one of the old Dreamfinder ships, the Dream Collector, from the old Figment World, the original one.
These are the Been There series pin drop collection Starbucks mugs sold in Disney Park. And this is the one for EPCOT. And they are $19.99, but if you have an annual pass, you get a discount.
And our total cost was $17.03, so that tells you how much the discount is. For posterity. I still don't know why people don't like this stuff. It kind of tastes like bubble gum.
She's gross. It does not.
It tastes like bubble gum with a little bit of bitter in it.
It does not.
I like it. It's just too sweet. Alright, I've had my Beverly. So there's actually butterflies in here?
Alright.
That ran away?
So we got buffalo blue cheese and sour cream and chive. Popcorn. We just happened to be in the land to see if we get some water in our cup, and Soarin has a 15-minute wait, so we're gonna ride Soarin.
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
We just left the land. If anybody is wondering where they can get their water bottles or whatever filled up to their heart's content. Well, I gotta document your 90th birthday. Would you mind signing our map? Thinking about what to write. Oh, he's writing a book. Thank you, Mickey. One more. He's got an idea. Oh yeah, this is our there we go. There we go. Thank you. It is actually tomorrow.
Oh, celebrating early.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh man, I'm not as old as your husband. Not husband, boyfriend.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
No cake.